Hello everybody, this is Baljit from JK. Welcome on my channel. In this video we are going to assemble this Skyline 2 play center. That was first project of my life. I never done project like that before, so I learned a lot of things from this project. And at the first point I thought it's pretty easy to put together, but when I get to this project it was quite tricky. It took me a while to figure it out how to follow and read the steps and how to put together, because company shipped this play center to us. They try to minimize their shipping cost. They mix all the pieces in separate boxes, because this play center comes in several different boxes and you have to follow all the steps. You cannot bypass, because that's not only just a play center, that's your kids' safety. You cannot use different kind of screws on this one. So as you can see, I have a couple of boxes over here sitting. It comes in these kind of boxes, like there's total 7 boxes. First, you need to read carefully labels on the boxes. Each boxes have a number, like this one is box number 1 of 7, and same if you go to the next one you will find box number 2 of 7, all number like that, 1 2 3 4. Like this one is box number 5 of 7. So these all boxes are by number, because you have to open by the number, and the instruction manual tells you which piece and what number box you have to open and look for. And first we're gonna open box number 1. As you see, I have opened. You will find all the hardware inside and couple board pieces. Each board pieces have a number, like this one have 8139. And there is another example. You will find another board pieces have a 2483. There's not a serious number, they're just random numbers. I'm not sure why. And then most important part of this project is instruction manual. This will show you as a picture how to put all the pieces together. You have to put couple parts. Each part have a multiple steps. You need to follow step by step. Once you're done with the part number 1, you can go to part number 2. This instruction manual will show you as a picture, also will show you what number of board pieces you will put together, what number of screw you will use, how many screw you use. If you can find those pieces, it also have a other page on the front will show you shape of the board and which box you can find. Now we're ready to assemble. Before you start assembly, make sure your surface is in level where you are going to assemble your play center. Then the next step is inventory. You have to inventory all the hardware, all the screws are there, and once you're done with the inventory, then you can rearrange your all screws. Different size have screws, and there comes in separate bags and with the separate numbers, so you can all rearrange in like the way I'm going to do in a box. You can rearrange by the numbers or the way you like. Now I'm installing part number 1. As example, all the boards I'm installing on top of those long pieces, they are all in size are same, but the numbers are different because they are pre-hole, and you have to install some grip holders on top of that one. If you not follow the instruction manual the way they tell you install the pieces by the number, then your all pattern will be not correct. All pattern will be like way off. You have to follow the instruction manual. You have to install each board by the number. So that's take most of the time, because you have to read each of the board number and you have to read the instruction manual which piece you have to install first. They are not a like serious number, they are like random numbers. And I will skip some of the parts because you don't need to know all the parts, but I have done something like a long way, and we will talk about those one and how you can save your time. So now let's enjoy, and we will talk the parts we need to know about it. that sliding part, it comes all like in many different pieces. You have to put all together. There's like about like 40 to 50 screws you need to put together. And as you can see, I done piece by piece, and after I done, I started installing on my play center. Like I installed first piece on play center, then second piece on the first piece, then third piece on the second one. And at that point it was like pin and neck. I spent a lot of time to making alignments and everything. I think the best idea is like once you done all the pieces together, put this one on the floor, then just mount whole piece on the play center. Once we done assembling, it come out really amazing, and it surprised us because that was the first project for us. And that was the longest project for me too, because the kids cannot wait. They want to this play center ready so they can play with that. And according to the instruction manual, it was like 15 to 16 hour job. And same as we was two, and my uncle helped me a lot, and his whole family helped us. It took us about like 16-17 hours. But once we done, we look at the project, it make us really happy. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you like my video, please like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching.